Hello. Universities, you will discover, love acronyms. After all, we are called UTM. And I'm going to tell you about an acronym that I think you're going to want to learn more about, and that is ROP. ROP stands for Research Opportunity Program, a wonderful program in which undergraduate students assist a faculty member with the professor's research and receive course credit for doing that. Some examples of courses that are going on right now in which undergraduates are assisting faculty members with research include chemistry students testing cell cultures for toxicity in order to help develop improved diagnosis of cancer. Psychology students observing interactions between new mothers and their babies and learning how to test saliva samples for cortisol in order to measure the impact that the interactions between the mothers and the babies have on the mother's hormone levels and memory formation. Religion students receiving access to a special literary archive in order to analyze those texts and preserve them for future generations.
The University of Toronto, Mississauga is at the forefront of fostering undergraduate research, and there is no better way to do this than in a research opportunity program. Within this program, you are placed in a laboratory and you work side by side with a graduate student under the supervision of a faculty member. You are making discoveries that have never been made before. You are answering questions that have never been answered before.
Faculty members tell us how much they benefit from the undergraduate students who assist them with their projects. And undergraduate students have such an opportunity to become close to a particular faculty member and develop a real relationship around mutual interests. They have the opportunity to develop skills, knowledge, and abilities that they can use either in future careers as researchers or in many other fields of endeavor. And they also have a really unique opportunity while still as undergraduates to contribute to cutting-edge knowledge.
I have had students in my own lab, numerous students actually. Most of them, once they experience what research is like, they've had an opportunity to work with a so-called frontline researcher. They actually go on to become researchers themselves. They go into graduate programs, then they get excited about it. So this is about getting students excited, giving them an opportunity to actually understand what research methodology is about, how to conceive an experiment with an intent to get an answer to a question, how do you control your variables, how do you interpret your data, what it means in the broader scheme of things, what difference do you make when you actually even do one experiment, how does that move frontiers of science. It's all about those things. It's also about creating better connections between students and professors. You bring any of those students into your lab and suddenly a very personal connection is created. They get to work with you for 3 months or sometime longer, and they get to actually experience that you have over a number of years of your career. And it's a whole new way of forming the scholars and scientists of tomorrow.
I think it's a wonderful program, and I hope you'll take the time to learn more about it. Remember, ROP.